Hi, it's Candy. Couldn't even wave there. Hey, it's Candy. Welcome to the Art of Planning, where we plan on purpose, pretty and powerful. And kind of we've been on this purging route lately also. So today I'm not going to purge as much as organizing. I started doing this and I thought, nope, perfect time to do a video on this. So this is how I organize my mostly illustrated faith supplies, and there are a few other things. My Bible journaling things are right here in this. So I was determined I was going to do this in my full glory, how I have been working today. So you can tell I've been packing and really working at getting things organized and ready to go. I can't do this video like this, guys, but this is how I've been working. And I do work in these disposable gloves, but they're coming off. They look too nasty, don't they? So there they go. And this is not normally how I'm organized, but as I mentioned before, everything has gone by the wayside. I have not been taking care of things like I should. So here we go. I am going to separate things into like objects. First of all, these are composition notebooks, shouldn't even be in there, okay? Now, how I have things right here is within little things within larger things. So this is going to make sense real quickly. I do organize the Illustrated Faith monthly kits, and I have a lot of them that are kind of unused. I'm far behind right now, okay? So this is how they come, and often I will even save the packaging and use that in different ways. So I want these in their sets. Okay, so I'm going to put those together, and the next thing I'm going to do, just because it's easy to see, okay, these are little books from Illustrated Faith that have cardstock, different kinds of cardstock. They are double-sided, which I like. They all need to be together. And let me show you this too. I'm just going to take these out. This is just package, what do I call them? Just packaging. It's got the bubble wrap on the inside. I keep them when they're smaller with a specific goal in mind. They do not necessarily have to be here. They probably shouldn't be here. So we're going to take those out, okay? Leave those to the side and go back to find our other paper pads, if there are any. Okay, those are going to go in a group. The next thing that's going to go in a group is my washi tape that comes with the kit, or that I have purchased separately, but that is all for my Bible journaling. And I do keep these on these little rings. But first thing is to get them where they need to be in pieces or in groups, okay? So there's a group of washi tape. Now, I've got some loose cards in there also. Okay? So, I'll find any of those as we go along. Here are, I have to keep checking the monitor, make sure you can see. Here are some note cards also to use. For right now, I'm just going to put those on top of my papers. The other thing, I'm just going to start pulling things as I run across them. Here are stickers. So I have several sheets of stickers. Now, I'm going to differentiate words from stickers. Here are Bible markers. I'm going to put those with the words. Here's alphabet. Okay, I think I'm going to separate the alphabet too, because in all of my other things I do separate alphabet. Okay, so here are the little words or phrases. I want those together. Here they are also. So I'm going to put those with my words or phrases. They'll all end up together, but I just kind of want them. And they normally would stay a lot more organized than I have been lately. Okay, So for right now, we have alphabet, we have stickers, and we have words or phrases. So they're all stickers, and I want them all together, but they're just organized, okay? Then, it used to be in the Illustrated Faith monthly packets that you would get little journals, so I have quite a pack of those. So I want to pull those. Okay, here are more stickers. Here are more little journaling books. Here are more words, stickers with words on them. Okay, so you get, I don't have to walk you through all of that, do you? You get the gist of that. So, we're going to get down to, we're going to see what's inside to make that the organizing work better. Okay, so the next thing that I will do is there are a lot of stamps that I love to use. Here's another journal, a couple other journal books. Some of these books are empty, some of them are not empty. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is the stamps. So let's just move to the side, the stickers, and just so you can see the stamps. Stamps. I do have doubles of some of these because Mom had some. I had given her several stamps as gifts, stamp sets. So I inherited those back. Okay, here are stamps. Okay, the other thing I'm going to do is, real quickly, so you can see, we're going to pop back to the washi. And I keep my washi on these rings. Now, every now and then, I will go back and organize the rings, maybe in colors, maybe because some of them have words on them. If I'm working in a certain color for the month, I will organize them by months. So that's what I do with my words every now and then, depending upon my goal in a working time frame, okay? So, there's my washi right there. I think it's time for another ring. Okay? Okay, so we're going to put those together. There's my washi. Okay, so you can see here is what is inside of this bin. These came from Target, this white. This white. Oh, and they come in different sizes, and I have used and used and bought more and used, and I absolutely love those. But within this, when I want things to be more organized and I want them to sit a certain way, I pull out smaller organizers. So, this is one that actually came from Dollar General. It comes in a tier of 3. It has lids on it. They interlock, yada, yada. Okay, so that goes in there. It fits like this. And within itself, it will organize and help to stand up and let me see a lot of other different things. So, the other things that I had in there are little packages of ephemera, paper pieces. So, those stand up really, really well. And I have those over here. So, my paper pieces are ephemera are right here, and they are here with my stickers. So that kind of makes sense to me. To my mind, those things work well. So I put my die cuts and I put those with the stickers. And then I put those with my sets. And then I put those with, okay, here's more stickers that I need to get in there. And then I had put in this grouping my journals. You know, sometimes it's a matter of how things fit or line up. Okay? So over here I had this little guy. It's a plastic thing that we usually use in the kitchen. And that fits just right there. Okay? Fits just right there. Okay, so we found some more of our little die cuts right there. There's some I've been into, so they're in a little plastic sheet. Because I've taken out of what's in here and I haven't put it back yet. So, more die cuts over here. Die cuts. There's some little cards. Here's some die cuts. Okay, you can't see what I'm doing, can you? And that's not good. So we put die cuts there. Just to kind of get the mess over here at the side dwindled down a little bit. Oh, you can see it. There's the mess over at the side. Maybe we'll just swing over there and leave it for a minute. Okay, so here are their enameled pieces that are kind of puff. Okay, these are illustrated face. So there's puffed hearts. I get those and use them a lot. I love those. Those fit over here. Here's some more of the little die cuts. So let's put them where they belong. So see, we're going to have this little area nice and organized. Here's another little set. That goes right there. Okay, and some more little puff pieces. Okay, stamp sets, stamp sets. Let's get to working on the stamp sets. They're gonna go over here. Now, when I have more time, and that's certainly not right now, I don't need to be doing that right now. It's a matter, right now I find myself in a situation, prioritize, double prioritize, triple, really get it focused to what needs time and what needs focus time. I could prioritize this even more by spring, by summer, by fall, by holidays. I know that that's not how I need to be spending my time right now. More die cuts into here and into here. Here is a little notebook with sticky notes. Now, I'm going to have to move over to an area that will accommodate the width of there. So, that's going to be space behind this, okay? That's why I went to this little container that is not quite as deep as the white piece. I need some wider area, okay? Here's some more little stickers. Here are wax crayons. Here's the little journaling note cards that I told you about a little earlier. Maybe I'll put them back there. I don't know that they'll stay back there. I'm not sure where I want those exactly. Here are some pieces from some of the earlier kits that have little note cards in them, little kind of business card type things that are fun to use in different ways. This is the cutest. These are page markers, like bookmarks. So cute. You can use them for all sorts of different things. Right now, I'm going to put them behind in this area. Okay, here's another kit. We're running out of room over here. And it accommodates more width. It needs to accommodate more width, okay? So, a few more die cuts that need to go right there. Here's a few more die cuts. My goodness gracious, home for all the die cuts. Okay, some things in here that don't need to be in here. We're going to take these cards and put them right over here. Put them after the puffy things. Here's some more cards. We'll put them with those. I'm going to look through these and make sure I know what they are for and how to use them. Here's that other set, but I want to keep this also. So we're going to put this back here. I think it may need to go in the very back. Okay, and then assorted things, another little journaling notebook for that month. So I need to find out for sure about that. One more little set of die cut things. Everything else to the side. And washi tapes. 2 rolls. So what I'll end up doing with the washi tapes, probably going to put these cards in the front. What I will end up doing with the washi tapes will be putting one there, putting one there, putting an individual one, just tucking it in there. I will decide what to do with these cards, and I've got that little set organized and ready to go, and just on to about a lot of others. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope that maybe some of those helped you in some way at some time in organizing. I didn't purge any of that. There was none of that I wanted to let go of. So hope you enjoyed. Love for you to send me a comment, and that's how we talk to each other. The sub button, the thumb buttons, and hope you come back for the next video. When you do the little bell by the subscribe, then you're always notified when a new video goes up. So, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye.